Today we're making strawberry sorbet. This is a fantastic recipe if you have a garden with fresh strawberries, or you can get your strawberries from the store to make this. Strawberry sorbet is a great option for a sweet treat in the summer, and this recipe is super easy to make. Not only does this taste delicious, but it's a great option to have in your freezer for dessert. There's no artificial colors or flavors, so let's get cooking. We'll start by washing 2 pounds of strawberries. My favorite are Oregon Hood strawberries, but feel free to use your favorite strawberries for this recipe. We'll wash these strawberries and then hull them by removing the green and white portion at the top with a dull butter knife. This reduces the waste but removes the portion we don't want to use in our sorbet. Do this for all the strawberries. Give this one last rinse of water. Then in the blender add 1.5 cups of sugar and 1.5 cups of water. Then juice 1 lemon and add this juice. Then gradually add the strawberries. Do this in 2 batches if needed. My blender is too small, so I'll do this in 2 batches. We'll add this all together and mix it to make sure it's all blended. Then we have 2 choices. We can churn this in a freezer bowl for soft serve, or we can add this to a freezer container and allow to freeze. For best results, if you go to direct freeze, I like to churn it every 2 to 3 hours with a spoon for a total of 3 times. Or you can churn it in a frozen bowl like you're seeing here for 20 minutes. This whole method breaks up the ice a bit to give it a more scoopable texture. We'll rinse and repeat this for multiple batches or directly freeze it. And boom, you have homemade strawberry sorbet. This is not only super easy to make, but it's so delicious. It freezes well, of course, and is a great option for summer parties, a special treat, or just a homemade dessert. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.